In this video, we want to construct a perpendicular line to an existing line through a point that is already on the existing line. So here we want to construct the line PR that is perpendicular to the line ST. Now, if we're going to construct the line PR, we can see that the point R already exists. Now, a point is a location, so the line PR has to go through this location. Now we want to do that at a 90-degree angle. In the previous construction, we learned how to create a perpendicular bisector. So the perpendicular bisector creates a perpendicular line. So what we want to do in this construction is create a setting where we do the perpendicular bisector construction. Therefore, we want to make R the midpoint. So I'm just going to extend my line a little bit further so I have a little bit more room. That's always a possibility, is just to line up your straight edge and extend your line. So what I want to do is I want to create a perpendicular bisector that goes through R, which means that R needs to be the midpoint of a segment. So what I'm going to do to create R as the midpoint is I'm going to take my compass and go the same distance to the left and then turn it around and go the same distance to the right. So now I have a segment that exists in between these two marks, okay, where R is the midpoint. So to do a perpendicular bisector construction, I want to put my compass point on one end point of the segment, open it more than halfway, and draw an arc that extends above and below. Keeping the same compass setting, I'm going to turn my compass around, put it on the second end point, and draw the same arc from its perspective. Now I've created two important points. So I'm going to line up those points of intersection. And you can see that it goes through R, that's our main goal. And I'm going to connect it. So I have a perpendicular line to ST, here's line ST, that goes through point R. Now the last thing I need to do is label another point on the line P so that we have line PR perpendicular to line ST.